My name is Courtney Loper and I am the account manager here at Loper Machine. So we started in 2017. Alex was just doing it part-time.
I'm Alex Loper and I'm co-owner with Kevin Smolenski. We are an aerospace job shop established in 2017, and we make parts that go to space, medical parts. My brother-in-law, who is Kevin, my partner now, my business partner, we decided to start a business together. Originally, it was just a part-time gig, come in here after work.
It was crazy in the beginning because he obviously was working a full-time job and then he was coming here at night in the evenings. So it was a lot at first, and it was just, I kept envisioning this.
Just continued to grow and get established with more customers, work on our credentials, adding more technology and capability into our shop, and increasing our staff, which has been the most important and most critical part of the business. A lot of the quoting in the beginning was just shoot from the hip.
So we started out with just using Google and just random documents that we were kind of making on our own.
Later we had built a spreadsheet to help our quoting, really captured costs of like operation times, setup times, shipping, outside processing, and we just continued to build on that spreadsheet.
And then obviously now that we've gotten even bigger, we need even more.
When Hunter called from Start Proto, you guys offered us a solution at a reasonable price, and obviously the most support that you could possibly ask for.
It's been a really nice transition so far. I think this will help kind of organize our business a little bit more and easier, kind of having everything all in one spot rather than things just kind of here and there and us using so many different things.
To go back to spreadsheets, it's just like in machining. We're not looking at bringing in old technology. We want to bring in new technology for our shop. If you're a shop owner, you know that trying to juggle everything going on and keep an eye on what's going out on the floor full time, it's next to impossible. Having a resource like Start Proto to keep everybody logging in, what job are they working on, what's the status of this job, to be able to pull that up from my computer in my office while I'm programming a new job or quoting something, it makes sense. It's pretty unbelievable. You know, the fact that you guys came out here for 4 days to, you know, transition us over and teach our staff has just been awesome.